There are a few pitfalls to avoid if you want to exercise to lose weight. For example, you could overexert yourself and end up overeating as a result. Alternatively, you may not work out enough and thus fail to see any results on the scale. Weight loss exercise recommendations are provided by researchers and medical experts on a daily and weekly basis, not only for weight loss but also to prevent weight regain. So how much daily exercise is needed to lose weight? Let's check it out. Before we begin, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to this channel and click the bell notifications button to be notified whenever we make an upload. Aside from dieting, one of the most common strategies used by those attempting to lose weight is exercise. It burns calories, which is important for weight loss. Exercise has been linked to a variety of other benefits, including improved mood, stronger bones, and a lower risk of many chronic diseases, in addition to weight loss. A healthy weight loss goal is to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week. You can follow the exercises below to burn your fat in an efficient way. Number 1. Walking. Walking is one of the most effective weight loss exercises. It's a convenient and simple way for beginners to begin exercising without feeling overwhelmed or having to buy expensive equipments. It's also a low-impact exercise, which means it's gentle on your joints. According to Harvard Health, a 155-pound person burns approximately 167 calories per 30 minutes of walking at a moderate pace of 4 miles per hour. Walking for 50 to 70 minutes 3 times per week reduced body fat and waist circumference by an average of 1.5% and 1.1 inches in a 12-week study of 20 obese women. Walking is simple to incorporate into your daily routine. Try walking during your lunch break, taking the stairs at work, or taking your dog for extra walks to add more steps to your day. To begin, aim to walk for 30 minutes daily. As you gain fitness, you can gradually increase the length or frequency of your walks. Number 2. Jogging. Jogging and running are excellent weight loss exercises. Although they appear to be the same, the main difference is that a jogging pace is typically between 4 to 6 miles per hour, whereas a running pace is faster than 6 miles per hour. A 155-pound person burns approximately 298 calories per 30 minutes of jogging at a 5 mile per hour pace, or 372 calories per 30 minutes of running at a 6 mile per hour pace, according to Harvard Health. Furthermore, research has shown that jogging and running can help burn harmful visceral fat, also known as belly fat. This type of fat surrounds your internal organs and has been linked to a variety of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Running and jogging are both excellent exercises that can be done anywhere and are simple to incorporate into your weekly routine. Begin by jogging 20 to 30 minutes 3 to 4 times per week. If jogging or running outside hurts your joints, try running on softer surface like grass. In addition, many treadmills include built-in cushioning, which may be easier on your joints. Number 3. Strength training. Weight training is a popular option for people who want to lose weight. According to Harvard Health, a 155-pound person burns approximately 112 calories per 30 minutes of weight training. Weight training can also help you build strength and promote muscle growth, which can increase your resting metabolic rate or the number of calories your body burns at rest. One 6-month study found that doing 11 minutes of strength-based exercises 3 times per week resulted in an average of 7.4% increase in metabolic rate. This increase was equivalent to burning an additional 125 calories per day in this study. Number 4. Biking. Cycling is a popular exercise that improves fitness and can aid in weight loss. Although cycling is typically done outside, many gyms and fitness centers have stationary bikes that allow you to cycle while remaining indoors. According to Harvard Health, a 155-pound person burns approximately 260 calories per 30 minutes of cycling at a moderate pace on a stationary bike, or 298 calories per 30 minutes of cycling at a moderate pace of 12 to 13.9 miles per hour on a bicycle. Cycling is not only good for weight loss, but studies have shown that people who cycle regularly have better overall fitness, increased insulin sensitivity, and a lower risk of heart disease, cancer, and death than those who do not cycle regularly. Cycling is beneficial to people of all fitness levels, from beginners to elite athletes. It's also a non-weight-bearing, low-impact exercise, so it won't put too much strain on your joints. Number 5. Interval exercise. Interval training, also known as high-intensity interval training, is a broad term that refers to brief bursts of intense exercise followed by rest periods. A HIIT workout typically lasts 10 to 30 minutes and can burn a significant amount of calories. One study of 9 active men discovered that HIIT burned 25 to 30% more calories per minute than other types of exercises such as weight training, cycling, and treadmill running. That is, HIIT can help you burn more calories while exercising for less time. Furthermore, numerous studies have shown that HIIT is particularly effective at burning belly fat, which has been linked to a variety of chronic diseases. HIIT is simple to incorporate into your workout routine. All you have to do is select a type of exercise such as running, jumping, or biking, as well as your exercise and rest times. Daily exercise is probably best for you if you prefer shorter workouts. You can meet the expert recommendations for weight loss by working out for 20 to 35 minutes every day. Exercising every day will also help you stick to your exercise routine. Get up a little earlier every morning and complete your exercise routine before beginning your day. Alternatively, spend half of your lunch hour going for a brisk walk. Another option is to go to the gym on your way home from work every day. This allows you to meet your weekly goal by doing a little bit every day. Work out different parts of the body on different days to shorten your strength training sessions. For example, do upper body one day and lower body the next. This allows you to work out all your muscle groups without having to spend hours in the gym. Here we end up for today. Will you start doing these exercises from tomorrow? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, feel free to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching the video.